In this video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step guide on how to create your account on Cardtonic. And then in the next video, I'll be going through the step-by-step process on how to use your virtual dollar card to make purchases online. So if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So here is Cardtonic, and in order for you to create your account here in Cardtonic, just follow this step, okay? You click on this next over here, go to Play Store. First of all, go and download the app, or Apple Store, search for the app and download it. After searching for the app, you just come over here and you open up the app, and then come over here and click on next, okay? You click on next, then click on create an account. Then you put in your username. You fill in all these details right here, okay? So we'll select a username for ourselves. ChatXC. You insert the email that you're going to be using for this. Then you select your country. Nigeria. You select your phone number. 62301765. Then you select a strong password for yourself. Always learn to mix up your password, big letter, small letter, and some numbers, okay? Always learn to mix up your numbers so that hackers don't easily get access to your password, okay? Then after inserting all of this, you click on create an account. Sometimes if you click on that create an account, it will tell you there is a pop-up that will show user exists, okay? So that means sometimes it normally happens as a result of network, but if your network is very stable, is going to tell you created, and it will tell you to log in. A pop-up will show up for you to log in and access your account, okay? But in my case, it showed me the user already exists. That was as a result of the network issue I had, because when I tried creating the account, after creating the account, it popped out user already exists when I clicked on the create button. After filling in my information and clicked on the create account, so it told me to log in, okay? So if it does like that, if you experience the same issue, know it is your network. So what you have to do is, no worries, just go back and log in your information, okay? So I'll just log in my information right here and access the account. You put in the same password that you used in registering before. Then you click on sign in. You say verification code has been sent to 4-digit verification code has been sent to this email. So you have to go to your email and copy it and come back here. Make sure this time doesn't elapse before pasting. So this is my email. I'll just click on the email that was sent from Cardtonic. Here's the email. So I'll click on it. Then you scroll down, copy this code right here. Then go back to the app. After copying your password, that password that was sent to your email from back to this app, you insert it right there in the column, and then you click on continue. Then after clicking on that continue, then your account will be fully verified, okay? Then you can now have full access to the app. So you just click on dashboard right here. All right, click on dashboard. Congratulations, your account has successfully been opened. So remember to do your KYC, because it's only when you do your KYC that you can have full access to this application. You can get full potential, know what and things you can do through it. Okay, so now in the next video I'll be dropping, I'm gonna be explaining how to make use of the virtual dollar card right here to make your purchases on various stores online. Okay, so can you ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop new videos, you are going to be updated. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.